Cash Giraffe usually processes payouts after you redeem, but the actual wait depends on the reward method you choose. That means a gift card can arrive faster than a cash payout, even if you redeem them at the same time. By the end of this, you'll know how Cash Giraffe payouts work, what slows them down, and how to avoid common delays. Here's the short answer. Cash Giraffe pays after you reach the required reward balance and submit your cash out. The exact delivery time depends on the payment option and account verification. That's the part most users miss. Redeeming is instant. Receiving isn't. Start with the process. First, you earn coins by playing featured games and hitting progression milestones. Cash Giraffe tracks your gameplay automatically. Once you have enough, open the payout section and choose your reward. That could be PayPal, a gift card, or another local reward depending on your region. After that, you submit your redemption. This starts the processing phase. That's when Cash Giraffe reviews the account. If your gameplay looks normal and your account details are correct, the payout moves through faster. If something looks off, it can take longer. That's usually where delays happen. Now here's what affects speed. Payment type matters. Gift cards often process differently from cash payouts. Account verification matters too. If your PayPal email is wrong, or your account isn't verified, that creates extra steps. That slows everything down. Region matters as well. Cash Giraffe offers different payout systems in different countries, so processing can vary depending on where you're cashing out. Now, here's how to avoid delays. Use the same email for your Cash Giraffe account and your payout method when possible. Double-check every detail before redeeming. Don't use VPNs or suspicious activity while earning. Reward apps often flag unusual behavior. That can freeze your payout. One more thing. Save screenshots of your coin balance and redemption confirmation. If support needs proof, you'll have it ready. Quick recap. Cash Giraffe pays after you redeem, not while you play. Your payout speed depends on reward type, account accuracy, and verification. Mistakes in your payment details are the fastest way to delay your reward. Practical next step. Open Cash Giraffe now, check your payout options, and verify your account details before you cash out. If this helped you understand the process faster, hit like and subscribe for more app breakdowns.